Migration Wizard can't transfer your teams when migrating to Zoho Desk. However, we can add the agents to relevant teams during the data migration process. Here's how to create a team in Zoho Desk. Log into your Zoho Desk account. Go to Settings. Select Teams in the Users and Control category. Click the New Team button in the top right corner. Fill in name and description. Make sure that the name is the same as you have on your source help desk. Press on Save to create a team. When you've set up all necessary teams, turn on Team Assignment. Go to Settings and then choose Teams again. Click the More button in the top right corner. Switch on the toggle next to Team Assignment. Now you can continue importing data to Zoho Desk.